So I'm going to show you guys how I attach my elastic band and my combs to my units. Someone asked me on my video, my detailed video on how I make my units, wanted me to do a video on how I attach this and this. So I said, might as well do it for this unit. This is the Beauty Forever body wave, wavy hair, natural wave, more of a body wave. Yeah, body wave hair. Beautiful hair. This is Beauty Forever. I love their hair. I did a video on my top favorite AliExpress hair companies, and Beauty Forever is on there. So check that out. And I tell you guys why I like each one and which ones I go to for certain hairs or looks I'm going for. So yeah, beautiful hair, Beauty Forever. Can't say enough about this hair. This hair is beautiful. So I haven't cut the inside right here under the lace closure, and I will. And then I'll show you guys how I attach my combs. Alright, so I get my thread through the needle and knot it at the end. And then here's my comb. And I always put a comb right here because it helps me fasten my unit onto the front of my head. And the comb should face inside the unit like this. And I push it back a little bit. I don't have to put it all the way up here, but I push it back just a little bit. I don't have any like settings or any, you know, measurement of how far down. Just put it right in the middle. And then I take the thread and then I sew it through, and I just stitch it like back and forth. I don't you know, like stitch it like on one side. I just go back and forth, and then the hair will get caught in the thread, but you're able to comb it out at the end. When you brush the hair, it'll all come out. So don't worry about getting the hair, you know, tangled with the thread when you're doing this. And then I do one line back here, and I go another line back. So I just go like this, really easy, basic stitching, nothing complicated. Alright, so the comb is on now, and then I'll add 2 combs here and then 1 comb here, but I won't do that on camera since you already saw how I did this one. But I'll do the elastic band now. Here it is. I was like, where's my elastic band? Alright, so this is elastic band. This is a long one. Forget where I want it to be, and then I'll cut off the excess at this end, and then I'll sew it on. Alright, so I'll put the thread in the corner, and then I'll put it back like where my ears would be, like right here. And let's just pick a spot and just tack it like this. And then just start sewing. I don't sew all the way through the layers of the band. I just sew through like the first layer of fabric that's on the band. There's no reason why you need to, you know, go through the whole band. So I'll just do that. And then I knot it the way I knot my bundles. I loop it to make a knot for every stitch, so it's nice and it's packed in there, because this is a part of your unit that will be getting the most abuse, because you're going to be, you know, swinging your wig on, swinging it off, and this is the part where you touch the most, is the elastic band. So you got to make sure that it's nice and secure on there. So take your time to do enough really good stitches through the band. Alright, and here's the unit. I was so weird. I've been doing so many curly hairs, and I was like, oh, the switch up. We got some body wave. Oh, I love this hair. Oh, this hair looks better in person than it does on camera. I love it. And look at the closure. Like, it's so good. And this is my own baby hair. Notice that I think I like it better when if I do a frontal or a closure. My own baby hair works. Like, it works, okay? My the fine baby hairs, they actually are straight on my head. So I just took my brush, this brush, and just brushed it like this. There's no gel, no nothing on it. So they stay when I do that. So I said, let me just use my own baby hairs. My baby hairs are good. So this is the, you know, it looks so beautiful. Oh, I love it. This hair is so soft. Just like the hair that I wore for like my wedding in Nigeria. Like, I love it so much. This is beautiful. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Alright, so that's how I put on my caps. Not put on my caps. That's how I put on my wig combs on the cap, and then also the elastic band on there too. And then it was perfect, and it lays down. It helps with the closure to lay down perfectly. I love the cap that I use. Oh, I love the cap that I use. I either get my caps from the Queen's Wigs or on Amazon, just depending on, you know, whatever I have available or wherever it comes quicker if I need something really quick, or I just go to the beauty supply store. So I'll link all my favorite caps below. And then I think that's all I wanted to say. And I love when I wear dark hair. I love when I wear dark hair, but then I like when I have like brown highlights, you know, on my units. So the switch up is so fun. But yes, this is what it looks like, natural state. I haven't even shampooed the hair or conditioned it yet. This is just straight out the package, and I really just wanted to put this in because I love it. Oh, it looks so good. I think I'll just wear this today. I'm ready to go. Makeup's done. My hair is done, and I'll be on my way for errands today. So, I love. Anyways, I hope you guys liked that video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.